It's a nice hotel. Always satisfy with every single detail of the facilities and services. Love it, red heart emoji. A hotel that makes guests feel comfortable, calm, and at home in their rooms. Cleanliness, friendliness, and complete facilities, especially for Muslim families. We left our iPad in room when checkout, and the staff has informed us when found it. Really a trusted hotel with an employee who honest and trustworthy employee. And yes, this is our 4th visit in this hotel that my son really loved to stay. So far so good. Hotel Noor Sangat Nyaman, Bersih, dan terlebih lagi semua staff sangat ramah dan sangat helpful. Saya pasti akan menginap hotel ini lagi kalau ke Bandung, white heart emoji. The hotel has very friendly staff, and the rooms are very clean. A hotel with a strong Islamic atmosphere. Upon arriving at the reception, you are given Zamzam water and dates while waiting for the check-in process. In the room, prayer tools and the Quran are provided. Highly recommended. The price is justified by the facilities. I've stayed here twice, the first time in the small room and I was already amazed. The second time I tried the executive room. Wow, so relaxing. Complete amenities, classy. The interior is really cute. The breakfast may not have a lot of options but everything is delicious. Welcome snack includes Zamzam water and dates. The food service and cleanliness are all very good. The food is delicious, everything. The pancakes are delicious. The fried rice is delicious. Clean. Lumayan di Tengah Kota, tapi di sekitaran hotel tempat makannya kebanyakan cafe jars and BGT makanan traditional. Overall it was good in staying in Noor Hotel. The breakfast was very good and tasty. The staff were extremely friendly. Value for money. The only setback is that there were some ants in the toilet.